Hello again. Welcome to How to Cook Like a Boss Without Being One. I'm Michael Hargrove, and in this episode, we're going to learn how to make a simple bechamel sauce. All right, so the first thing we want to make sure we've got going is our milk already warming in a pot close by. Then in an already warmed pot, or in this case stainless steel wok, we're going to add our fat. In this case it's 4 ounces or 4 pats of unsalted butter. And then the ratio of fat to all-purpose flour is 1:1. So 4 ounces of unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Make sure we have a look on our face like we're doing brain surgery, all nice and serious. And then incorporate the fat with the all-purpose flour. We're doing all of this on medium heat or medium-low heat, your choice. Once we've got the fat and flour thoroughly mixed together, then we start to add our already warm milk. Now be mindful, when we add our milk, the flour-fat mixture is going to start to clump up. So we sort of got to be like a mother hen, hatching an egg. Just hover over it until we get this done. See how it's clumping up like that? Continue to add our warm milk until we get to the consistency that we are looking for. And then I'll add the rest of the milk on the other side of the camera so you can get an idea what that looks like too. A little at a time until we get to the consistency that we're shooting for. Now in this case I ended up using all 2 cups of the milk. If it turns out we need a little bit more, at this point we can add cool liquid to it because the rest of the mixture has already come up to temperature. And then the last step is to add copious amounts of freshly ground nutmeg. And once we've added the nutmeg, mix that again. Be mindful though, if you let it sit too long, a thin film like that will start to form on top of the bechamel sauce. So again, you kind of got to stick on to this, you got to stick with it. And then that's basically the consistency I'm looking for, and that's it, folks. Easy peasy. As was mentioned on a graphic in the video, bechamel is one of the 5 mother sauces. It starts with a roux, which is 1:1 fat to flour. Roux is the base for various different sauces, gravies. You can add breakfast sausage to a roux and milk to create a country gravy. You can add drippings from a turkey to a roux to create your Thanksgiving gravy. Or in this case, we can add milk to create a bechamel. Bechamel is used in casseroles, used in lasagna, typically used in mac and cheese, and it is a basic cooking staple that is easy to master, and I hope you do. As always, thank you for allowing me to share one of my passions with you. If you found value or if you enjoyed yourself, shoot me a quick like, please, and thanks for watching.